Welcome to Excellent Cat. My name is Ajay Anand. In this video, we will see how to extract numbers and text from alphanumeric data using Power Query in Excel. To extract the numbers and text from this alphanumeric data into different columns of this worksheet, select a cell from this dataset, go to Data tab in the Excel ribbon, click on From Table or Range. When I click OK in the Create Table dialog, the data range is converted into an Excel table and is loaded into the Power Query editor. To extract the text part from this data, go to the tab called Add Column. Column from Examples, from Selection. The option called Add Column from Examples is activated. Enter sample values to create a new column. Add Column from Examples is quite similar to the Flash Fill feature in Excel. This tool makes use of the IntelliSense of Excel and generates an output on the basis of examples given by the user. So let us show to Excel what we want. Here in the first cell of the source data, we have the text ABC123. And I need only the text part of this data, which is ABC. So I will type in ABC in the corresponding cell. And when I press the Enter key, Excel has guessed a pattern from the sample value and generated an output based on that pattern. But some of the cells in the output contain numbers, and this is not what we want. I will add one more example here so that Excel can clearly understand what I need. In the fourth cell of the source data, we have the text A2T4T, and I need only the text part of this data, which is ATT. So I will enter the values A, T, T, and when I press the Enter key, the output has changed. You can see that none of these cells here contain any number. All those characters except numbers are extracted into this column, and this is exactly what I need. Click OK. And a new column is created which contains the text part of our alphanumeric data. Now to extract the number part from this data, we can use the same method. Select the column containing source data, column from examples, from selection. Now enter the sample values of the expected output. Here from the text ABC123, I need the numbers 1, 2 and 3. For that, select the corresponding cell and type in 1, 2 and 3. When I press the Enter key, Excel has generated an output guessing that what I need is the characters which come after the last space character in the source data. Anyway, our sample data wasn't enough to decode the pattern of the expected output. So to bring more clarity on the output, I will add one more example. See this value Excellent Cat 789. I need only the numbers 7, 8 and 9 from this data. So I will enter these numbers 7, 8 and 9. When I press the Enter key, the output is once again modified. And when we compare the source data with the generated output, numbers from every cell in the source data is extracted here. Click OK. A new column is created which contains the number part of the source data. As we have extracted the required data from this column is no longer required. So before loading this data into our sheet, I will remove this column. Right click, remove. To load this data into our Excel sheet, go to Home tab, close and load to. And one more thing before loading data into the Excel sheet, if you want to rename the column headers, double click on the column header. I will rename this column as text, the second column as numbers. Close and load to. Existing worksheet. Select the cell where you want to place the data. OK. The text and number part of this alphanumeric data are extracted into separate columns. And one great advantage of using Power Query is that this method is dynamic. So whenever we make a change in the source data, the output can be updated with a single mouse click. I will add some new data here. Excel 2019, AutoCAD 2020, 3.16. To update the output table for this new addition, go to the Data tab, click on the refresh button. Text and number part of the newly added data are extracted into separate columns. I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section, and those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.